back to my channel. I know it's been a minute, but we're gonna get it cracking. So we're gonna do this look. Maleficent, the villain, she's in the building. So let's get started. So I got this scar putty from Spirit. So like we're gonna take a good decent amount of it and we're just gonna shape it like this, because I want to use this for the cheekbones. We're gonna place that about here. Okay, so I realized this stuff doesn't really stick well and I don't have an adhesive, so we just gonna wing this, guys. I'm gonna spread it down. We got the shape of the cheekbones on, and we're gonna use some liquid latex. Make it look more realistic on the ends. I'm gonna put some foundation over it, and Maleficent is a little bit on the paler side. I'm gonna use a foundation that is lighter than me. I'm gonna blend that in. Archiana. I'm gonna be using the box of crayons, and we're using the neutral colors and the black, of course. I hate this, guys. I wasted my time because it looks like in distress, and it's coming off. Period. It didn't come out as smooth as I thought it would. I think because I use the cheap Halloween stuff, I need to get the, you know, HD quality. So I'm just gonna go in the middle, this neutral color. And what I'm gonna do is I'm actually going to place the black in the corners. Ooh, and that black is so delicious. I'm gonna place it there. We ain't gonna blend it too much. I don't want it to fall under the eye, even though I haven't concealed it yet. Black is a difficult color. We're going to take our brown and we're going to just blend that thing. For the inner corner of the eyelid, I'm gonna use white. Then I'm gonna do the wing liner. I'm using Anastasia liquid liner. I bought these lashes from the Halloween store as well. They're like flirty, they flare at the end. I wanted my Maleficent to be dramatic. Fenty Beauty, we love you, Riri. Girl, we love you, girl. You did that. That's kind of dope. A little gore Maleficent. Hoodlificent. Maleficent from the hood. Wish I would. I think it was an epic fail, but guess what? I don't give a damn, because I'm still hitting it. Alright, you know we gotta put that powder. I don't care who you is. Who? Banana powder, who? Drag her down, drag her down. Gonna blend that thing out, blend that thing out. That dark brown, we're gonna hike it up. Hike it up, hike it up. We're gonna take some of that black. So it's looking good from a distance, but when you come up, it's looking like somebody that knocked Maleficent all up inside her face and her cheekbones just got to cracking. So we're gonna say this Maleficent from the dead, okay? She's arising. And then I'm gonna put my contacts in. I'll be back. So now that I have these contacts in, and guys, this shit looks so dope. Oh my god. So yeah, we Maleficent from the dead, and I'm aligning in a darker red only because I know the contrast looks better that way on my skin tone. And we're using some Uncensored by Fenty Rihanna. This is my first time trying this too, so we're gonna see. Oh my god, Riri. And because I'm such a diva, I'm adding highlighter to mine. This highlighter is the truth. And I love it. And now I go dress. I'll be back.